As we start to rebound from COVID-19, our childcare needs may be changing. Many of you have shifted jobs and schedules, and that may leave you searching for qualified daycare.
I would say at least about 50% of our parents still needed that care.
Brittany Greenwood owns Little Scholars Daycare. Unlike many others, Little Scholars has remained open through the pandemic.
We've had a lot of parents actually come to us say, we need care because our other facility is closed and it's not going to open back up.
They're functioning a little differently now.
They have to have their temperature taken. We have to ask parents questions, and then they wash their hands first things when they get in. So the parents don't go past the front door.
I think it's the wrong hand.
Childcare is always a critical need, but it seems even more so now.
We have a lot of families that cannot work from home. That's not an option. And if we're not open, their only other option is to take their children to their grandparents. And for a lot of them, those are the people they're really trying to protect.
Crystals. People are returning to work and are needing help finding childcare.
Tracy Gruber is the director of the Utah Office of Childcare. Care
About Childcare is a resource and referral system that the state has set up to help parents find a childcare provider in their community.
Using the website, you can search for daycare providers by zip code and expand your search area if necessary. Once you see a list of providers in your area, you can learn a lot more about them individually. You can see how many children they're approved for, whether they work with special needs children, and you can review their record with the state health department.
All inspection reports over the previous 5 years are listed on that website.
Daycare facilities operating today have new standards as a result of COVID-19. Aside from screening for symptoms of illness,
they're doing what we're calling cohorting, which means they have the same caregiver the entire day, and there's no intermingling of those groups to ensure that we are doing all that we can in the childcare arena to reduce the spread of COVID-19.
They saw light.
For us, it was just training our staff. Mostly, it was just doing more of what we're already doing.
Back at Little Scholars,
Aiden is 6 and Gabriel is 4.
Todd Darrington says the daycare is doing more than just keeping his children COVID-free.
We don't take the kids grocery shopping or go to Walmart to buy a toy, and so life has felt very different, and daycare has been a little slice of normal in all of that because they still come, they still see their friends, they still get to play, and they still get kind of pushed in a way that we weren't able to do at home.
Again, the website to see and review all the daycare providers who are licensed with the state is careaboutchildcare.utah.gov. It is constantly updated with the most recent inspection information. And of course, we have a link to it at fox13now.com.